Ever found yourself scrolling through endless streaming options, only to be hit with a price tag that makes your wallet weep? Yeah, me too. And today, we're tackling one of those subscription services head-on, Revel. Specifically, we're diving deep into the question, how much does a Revel subscription actually cost? Now, before we jump into the numbers, let's talk about why this question is so important. Because let's face it, in today's world of on-demand entertainment, knowing what you're paying for is absolutely crucial. We're bombarded with subscriptions left and right, from streaming platforms to meal kits, and it can get overwhelming and expensive fast. So, understanding the pricing structure of a service like Revel is key to deciding if it's the right fit for your budget and lifestyle. Revel, for those who might not know, is a platform that offers a variety of transportation options, primarily electric mopeds and e-bikes, in select cities. It's designed to be a convenient and eco-friendly way to get around, especially in urban areas. But that convenience comes at a cost, and that's what we're here to unpack. Now, you might be thinking, just tell me the price already, and I get it. But it's not quite as simple as a single number. Because like many subscription services, Revel's pricing can be a bit nuanced. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. Several factors can influence how much you end up paying. First, and perhaps most obviously, is location. Revel operates in different cities, and the pricing can vary significantly from one city to another. This is due to a number of factors, including operating costs, local regulations, and even competition from other transportation services. So, the price you pay in, say, New York City might be completely different from the price you pay in, say, San Francisco. Always check the Revel app or website for the specific pricing in your area. Second, consider the type of vehicle. Revel offers different types of vehicles, primarily electric mopeds and e-bikes. And, you guessed it, these different vehicle types often come with different pricing structures. Mopeds, which are generally faster and can travel longer distances, tend to be priced differently than e-bikes, which are more suited for shorter trips within a smaller area. Again, the app is your best friend here. It will usually show you the pricing for each available vehicle type before you even start your ride. Third, and this is a big one, are the potential fees. Beyond the base price per minute or per mile, there can be additional fees that you need to be aware of. These can include things like activation fees, which are sometimes charged when you first sign up for the service. There might also be parking fees if you park the vehicle outside of designated zones. And be careful about late fees. Returning a vehicle late can often incur significant charges. So, it's not just the ride itself you're paying for, but the whole experience, including parking and timely returns. Fourth, keep an eye out for promotions and discounts. Revel, like many other companies, sometimes offers promotional rates or discounts for new users or for specific events. These promotions can be a great way to try out the service at a lower cost or to save money on your regular rides. So, before you commit to a full-price subscription, it's always worth checking if there are any deals available. A quick search online or a look at Revel's social media channels can often reveal some hidden gems. Fifth, and this is where it gets a little more complex, are membership options. While Revel primarily operates on a pay-as-you-go basis, where you're charged per minute or per mile for each ride, they sometimes offer membership options in certain cities. These memberships might offer discounted rates, unlimited rides within a certain time frame, or other perks. These membership options can be a good value if you're a frequent Revel user, but it's important to carefully compare the costs and benefits to see if it makes sense for your individual needs. So, how much does a Revel subscription cost? Well, as you can see, there's no single answer. It depends on your location, the type of vehicle you use, any potential fees, promotions or discounts, and whether you opt for a membership. The best way to find out the exact pricing in your area is to download the Revel app or visit their website. They usually have a detailed breakdown of their pricing structure, including any applicable fees and membership options. Now, let's talk about the value proposition. Is Revel worth the cost? That's a question that only you can answer. It depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you live in a city where Revel operates and you're looking for a convenient and eco-friendly way to get around, then it might be a great option, especially if you don't own a car or if you're trying to reduce your carbon footprint. However, it's important to weigh the costs against the benefits. Consider how often you'll be using the service, how much it would cost compared to other transportation options, and whether the convenience and environmental benefits are worth the price. For some people, revel might be the perfect solution. For others, it might be more cost-effective to stick with public transportation or other alternatives. Before you make a decision, do your research. Compare the pricing of revel with other transportation options in your area, such as ride-sharing services, public transportation, or even renting a bike. Read reviews from other users to get an idea of their experiences with the service. And, if possible, try out revel for a short ride or two before committing to a membership or making it your primary mode of transportation. Ultimately, the cost of a revel subscription is just one factor to consider. You also need to think about the convenience, the environmental impact, and whether it fits into your overall lifestyle. By carefully weighing all these factors, you can make an informed decision about whether revel is the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.